there is crisis in Edo State. What is your reaction?
There is no crisis. It's only APC that is trying to create a crisis here. But let me tell you, you know, when you say crisis, for me, and I believe this election time, you expected that. Any election, when you talk about election, talk about Imo, Edo, Kogi, some of these states are very vibrant states, which you know. But everybody have interest, you know, APC have interest, Labour have interest, people have interest. But I want to tell you that Edo not be Lagos. Edo is not Imo State, where one man will just sit and start collecting almost local government. But you know, like what happened yesterday, a court giving verdict to and deputy governor who has exited to APC, from PDP to APC. Now you are not giving verdict that he has been restrained. Now, if you have been restrained, what you do, you follow due process. Either you go to police, police, let them enforce the law. And the governor of Edo State have appealed. Why don't you wait for appeal? So you just decide to bring talk to come and destroy our hope, Edo State. It's not going to work. We Edo people, we're not going to sit and watch destroying our home and our property. And look at the policeman died yesterday. It's wrong. Shaibu should wait. Abuja people should not use Shaibu and destroy Edo State. And Shaibu know that Edo, we don't take nonsense. We are very small, but we don't take nonsense. That's why I say Edo not be Lagos. But for where? Edo government have appeal. Why Shaibu should wait and let the appeal say Shaibu. And don't forget, you can't have deputy governor, two deputy governors in an office. Now, no. What I'm saying is, all are fighting for September 2020.
But why is it Tinubu, after being disgraced in the last election in Edo State, he still went back to Edo State and be saying that APC will deliver APC to Edo State to APC. How rational is that?
Tinubu, who came and said he want to rule Nigeria, since he came on board, he has Yoruba said Olule. He said Buhari Lule. He Lule. He has even worse. Lule mean he go down, he didn't get up again. That's Olule. He has not been able to even rule Nigeria. How much more Edo? What concern him in Edo State? He can yanu, he can talk. But I'm telling you, Tinubu has collapsed this country. He has collapsed this country totally. Nothing is working. Look at now, struggling with labor, 70,000 naira. What is 70,000 going to buy for a bag of rice? And the Mumu laborers accepted. Understand me? So what I'm saying, we almost got to 2 years now. How Nigeria, how far? Emilokon. You have entered there. Nigeria Lule. Nigeria has gone down, can't get up again. Understand me? Joe Biden and Tinubu is like, I don't know who is older. Are you getting me? Joe Biden is still managing himself. I think the economy is still going on.
And both of them always fall.
That is it.
Joe Biden fall,
why Tinubu
always fall.
Always fall. And when they are falling, as they are falling, the country is falling. What do you expect? So please, Tinubu should focus on Abuja and leave Edo for us. But Shaibu, don't let Abuja people use you. Oshemola now is somewhere.
He's even attacking Tinubu.
Yes, so please, Edo people, shine your eye. We will decide when the time comes. Edo not be Lagos.
On a good note, give us the name of the PDP candidate there. How would you describe him? Tell us about him, the PDP candidate.
Igodalo is a person. I've seen the three candidates. Akpata. What is Akpata? Akpata means pint. I've seen Akpaboro, what's his name? One day, senator, ask him what has he done in our place? Nothing. Akpata have been in Lagos MBA. What has he done? Nothing. But if you check Asiru, I've looked this MD chairman for so many companies. Where if the governor who is there now say this is the best person. Let me tell you, I don't know the thing of time. If the governor say, okay, this is the turn of this particular place, Shaibu should accept. Instead of Shaibu, let me tell you, the way Shaibu is going, oh my God. Oga Shomole, even worse than Shaibu at the end. Edo people say, my brother, what did they do you? Edo will not be Lagos. Shomole, sit down. Very soon we are told Shaibu to sit down. I said no. They do
are you sure that Edo not going to be Lagos?
Edo not be Lagos.
Are you sure Edo not going to be Lagos?
I am telling you, I'm here. You are still come. That day of election, PDP win that election. I should win that election. I am not, let me tell you, I don't have any party at all, but with the way Shaibu is taking it, with the Edo, from diaspora, from Lagos, we are going to go home and support our people and make sure we give the right person in Edo State. Edo not be Lagos.
And they're saying that Obaseki is a silent killer. It's how truth is that. He doesn't talk much, but he knows what he's doing.
Obaseki is a person I know, he doesn't talk too much. I do it the way it is. Now, the people Edo State, Obaseki know that he is not the one that will fight. Yesterday, what I saw yesterday, I see a little bit script yesterday, which the whole people who think they have the power, all of them were running under the vehicle because Edo, mad people full Edo, you know that. Mad people, when they come out, we know they fear. We know they fear. But let me tell you, the way this country is going now, I believe the president should be able to come based on that. But if you are making it difficult, I pity you. Now, people want to protest, they are begging them. Nigeria not the fear again.
The North has withdrawn, and of course, they said they're not going to protest again.
There's a few people that don't give money. They give a bag of rice. Don't worry. When the August come, only God will know who will protest. NSAS, did you know? Is anybody there? Did you send a leader in NSAS? Maybe both people will come down and help us.
Lucky, finally, tell us about Edo no be Lagos.
See, the kind of life they are using in Lagos, they want to bring Edo State. And when they know that, I say, Edo no be Lagos, when you come for politics, we not a negotiator. We not a wait for Papa when they shit for pint for. Anywhere you take, say, use Shaibu, go out, use this. No, when election come with the Edo people, we will monitor INEC, we monitor the police. We will make sure that you go there, wait for your turn. This is our turn, our local, Edo Central. And Obaseki have said it. Say, give this place. So that is it, Edo, no Lagos.